Hello everyone, welcome to you my YouTube channel VB Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Right, so guys, here we are talking about that how to store the data from user form to Excel. Right, this is the part 4. Right guys, so in the just if you are new just in user form, so please refer my previous video about the user form. Part first that how to create a user form. Part second we have covered that about the text box event, and part 3 we had discussed about the user form just event. So in this part, that is part 4, we will store the data from Excel to from user form to Excel. Right, so guys, here I have already written the code actually because just to make this video short. Right, so I'll just just understand, I'll understand all the things one by one to you. Right guys, so guys, here I have declared the just SST variable, right, type of worksheet where I I need to insert the data. And here I have one variable to find the last fill row from the sheet 1. Here I have set the worksheet here, and here I have in this line I have find the last fill row from the sheet 1. Here you can see that sheet 1, right? So guys, I had already covered all the things, and I had already applied the things, that is number, is date and currency on the text box and all that. So I just simply, this is my user form. Here you can see that first is name, employee ID, genders, marital status, country, currency, DOB. Right, so I want the information from this user form to Excel. Here, right, name, employee ID, gender, marital status, yes, no, country, currency, date of birth, right, in sheet 1. So this is the user form which we have covered in my previous videos. Right, so I just perform an action on the this button, that is okay. I'm just double click on this, and here, right, so I'm just storing the value from text box 1 to the just in the sheet 1, that is column 1 here, right, and text box 2, that is employee ID, in the column 2, that is B, and that is last row which is find by here, right, so automatically finds on every click of the button. And here get the value from the selected option button, right, so we have already applied an option button in our user form. So how to get the values from the option button? I've just applied a if condition. If option button 1 dot value equal to true, then in the column 3 I just get the caption. I just get the caption of the option button 1. Else if the second option button is true, then in the column 3 I get the option button 2 caption. So here you can see that if user click on male button, so it will get the male. If user will click on female, so it will get the female in the column 3 of the Excel sheet. Right, so here I have just get the value from the checkboxes. So I just applied a one checkbox in the user form. If checkbox dot value equal to true, then in column 4 I just print the yes, else I just no. Right, here is the checkbox, you can see that, right, once I check this, so it's automatically get the yes, otherwise it will take no. Right, so here in the combo box, right, combo box in you can see that the combo box here, country, right, so I just store the value from the combo box to the Excel sheet, that is column 5, and in the text box 3 I just save the value in 6 column. In text box 4 I just save the value in the column number 7 from the text box 4. Right, after submitting just after putting all the values from the control, I just need to clear all the things, right? So I just here the if condition, if option 1 dot value equal to true, then it's automatically false. Else if, right, if option button dot value equal to true, then it's automatically false, right? Here I have cleared the option button, clean, you can say clean, right? And here I have cleaned the check boxes, right? And here also I have cleaned the all others control, that is text box and combo box, and at the end I have just print a message box, that is done, right? So now I'm just executing the code and I'll show you the output, right? So I'm just putting the name, that is Rahul Kumar, right? Employee ID is 4234, something like that. I'm just clicking on mail, and marital status, yes, I'm married, country is India, right? And currency button, putting the value, it's automatically converted in the US currency. If you don't know that how it's converted, so please refer my previous videos, right? I'm just putting the date of birth, that is 01/06/2000, right? Guys, I know just on these controls I have already applied the validation. So if you don't know the validation, so please refer my previous videos, that is part 2 about the text box event and all that, right? So now I'm clicking on the OK button to store the value, right? So all values are stored as you can see in the previous, right? Here the value is saved and all just controls are clean here, right? So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any concern, any question in the user form, so please write your comments in the comment box. I'll get back to you on that. So guys, thank you, thanks for the watching.